Yeah, I mean, I felt everybody was. Like, he didn't tell us to do that. Y'all just did that on your own. Yeah, rogues.
All right, everybody, close your eyes and think back to a favorite childhood memory that you had. Chances are somewhere, you might have to close your eyes, sir, really. You got your eyes closed for real. Chances are somewhere in your memory there is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich waiting to be devoured. Today, we will be peeling back the layers of nostalgia and exploring the irresistible charm of this classic American concoction. So get ready to spread love as we dive into this delicious world of peanut butter and jelly. So today, basically, we'll be demonstrating how to make the proper peanut butter and jelly sandwich. By first going over the ingredients. Next, I will make the sandwich. After that, I will actually assemble the sandwich. And last but not least, I will go over some additional ingredients and actually eat the sandwich. With that being said, I'm gonna go into the ingredients. So first, no sandwich is complete without bread. Some people prefer honey wheat bread, wheat bread. Today, for this example, we're gonna use some classic white bread. Peanut butter. Some people like to use honey roasted peanut butter. Other kind of peanut butters. Today we're going to use it good old creamy Jif, not crunchy. As far as jelly goes, some people like to use apple jelly, strawberry jelly. Today we're using grape jelly. If you're the type of person who likes to buy the mixture of the peanut butter and jelly, you're crazy, honestly. Now that I have all the ingredients laid out, we're going to actually make the sandwich. All right, so first things first, we're going to grab a piece of bread. I like to do peanut butter first. Don't ask me why, it's just a habit of mine. We're going to get the spoon. I always use a spoon, not a knife. You ask why? It's just a habit. We're going to spread that, a nice layer of peanut butter across this bread. Lovely. All right, after that, I usually have 2 spoons, so I'm just going to lick it. Y'all get your own spoon afterwards. You get some jelly, the choke sandwich. Get some jelly. Put that puppy on the bread. Free sponsorship here. And you just spread it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I try to put as much as jelly, as much as peanut butter, an even combination. Boom. Lay that down like that. Boom. All right. Some people like crunchy. Some people like smooth peanut butter. According to studyfinds.org, if you prefer creamy peanut butter, odds are you are an early bird and an introvert. And if you prefer crunchy peanut butter, you are most likely a night owl and a extrovert. These are not my facts. The World Wide Web told me that. All right, so now that I have the sandwiches prepared, the sandwich prepared, let's move on to the last step, actually assembling the sandwich. So this is the important step to me. I like putting the peanut butter on top of the jelly first, not the opposite. You know why? Because jelly spills. And when jelly spills, you will eventually have to clean the mess up. When you have to clean the mess up, that takes time away from your, somebody's behind me, from your eating of the sandwich. This is a fun fact. Did you know that the recipe for peanut butter and jelly was first introduced by Julia Davis Chandler. That's a name that y'all should look up. When it comes to cutting the sandwich, some people prefer the diagonal this way. Some people prefer straight down the middle. What do you prefer? Doesn't matter at this point. According to the survey conducted in 2022 by YouGov, 39% of Americans prefer diagonal cut sandwiches. 20% prefer the rectangle cut sandwiches, and 41%, which what I fall in, I don't really care. We just want to eat a sandwich, man. If you have any children or childish adults, sometimes they like the edges cut off the bread. That's less bread for me. Me personally, I like the whole bread. I pay my money for it. With our sandwich complete, let's talk about some additional ingredients that you can put on your sandwich. Me personally, I like to put like bananas on my sandwich at times. I can go with honey. Some people like to put, it's gonna be nasty, pickles on their sandwich. Hey man, it's on the internet. Bacon, Nutella, maple syrup, and granola. Granola probably be good. In conclusion, I've demonstrated how to properly make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich by first gathering my ingredients, talking about the art of spreading, which was step 2. And third, assembling the sandwich. And finally, mentioning additional ingredients and actually eating the sandwich. So let's pause as we consider. Let's pause and consider how the peanut butter and jelly sandwich makes life simple. It's more than just a meal. It's a reminder of your childhood. So next time you bite into a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, enjoy the memories and feelings that it brings back. After all, sometimes the ageless combination of peanut butter, jelly, and love is all you need in this world full of complexity. Thank you. Y'all can have sandwich.
What? After you licked all over it? You're a psychopath.
It's supposed to close it up.
He's talking about crunchy. Like, he was like, how do you like it cut? He was like, he don't even want to cut it. He just,
Yeah, no cut.
You cut your sandwiches?
no.
See, exactly.
I like the crust.